Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I've got the unboxing of my Next Club EP box. So let's get into it. Oops. Introducing our Snow Much Fun collection, available in stores now. Snow Much Fun. Cute. Okay. A Cozy Christmas Inspiration. So this is the November 2019 EP Club kit called A Cozy Christmas Inspiration. So you got a bunch of cards, packaging, what a cute box, scrapbooking layouts, mini albums, just lots of fun ideas. So let's look at what we've got. Okay, you got your big chipboard accents. So pretty, little deers, sleighs, lights, the red, classic red truck, love that. Here is the little stamp set. Let's put it behind some white so you can see. Got Merry Christmas, Merry and Bright, Merry Christmas, Blessed, Season's Greetings, Tidings of Comfort and Joy. You got a little wreath, a tree, stockings, snowflakes, just a bunch of pretty little, oh, we got a little to and from too. They're so tiny. I'm getting a bigger to and from because I like making big tags. Okay, but that's a cute little stamp set. Okay, let's look at the big paper first. And you've got the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet too. Alright, you got the sticker sheet, got warm holiday wishes, Merry Christmas to you, have yourself a merry little Christmas, sleigh rides for two, 25 cents, cozy Christmas for you, Christmas joy, farm fresh Christmas trees, jingle all the way, old-fashioned sleigh rides, hot cocoa on the farm, farm fresh Christmas trees, jolly, you got this Merry Christmas banner, North Pole Christmas Tree Company, just a bunch of fun little stickers. And you got some border stickers too down here. Okay, so let's look at the paper. Peace, love, joy, cheer. Some cut aparts. I'll probably use those cut aparts. I like the packages too. Ooh, I like that too. Wow. Always so hard to decide whenever it's double-sided. Mason jar snow globes, so cute. Like that. Oh, some more cut aparts. Big cards. Easy big cards. Love those. It's a little busy for me. And some more cut aparts. Yay, love the cut aparts. Okay. So that's the 12 by 12 paper, the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. We looked at the chipboard accents. Let's look at the 6 by 6 paper. I would assume it's much the same as the 12 by 12, just smaller scale. Yeah, it's the same thing, just smaller scale. I don't imagine you get two of everything. Yeah, looks like you get two of everything. Okay. And so this is the 33-piece Ephemera pack. Lots of pretty little doodads. Do not open until December 25th. I'm sure there's the Merry Christmas banner. Bunch of fun stuff. Great for making cards, tags, whatnot. Laugh, play, and jingle all the way. That's neat saying. I hadn't seen that before. Okay, you get enamel dots in Christmas colors. And you get Puffy stickers. So fun. Alright, so that is the Echo Park 2019 November kit called A Cozy Christmas. I will have everything linked down in the video description below, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Bye!